Hey guys, I am Zuzu, the founder of Tengjie Commodities Company. Do you want to visit my factories? Let me show you my factories. Here is the workshop of the first factory. 20,000 square meter, 2 packing lines, 4 plastic products and bath sponges. Huge logistics warehouse. Here is the second factory. 10,000 square meter, 65 injection machines. Size from 100 ton to 1,300 ton. Here is our turnaround warehouse. 8,000 square meter. Our goods are shipped to more than 80 countries. This batch will be shipped out later. Our designs are flexible to match market demands. Our products are recognized by our customers. We are confident to do it better. I always believe every landing point is a new departure. I am Zuzu. Where is life? Where is struggle?